Hi and welcome to another video. Yes, this is another Olight review video. I picked this little Olight up and I wanted to just do a review at the same time because obviously I've had a couple of other videos and I absolutely love these and I wanted to see if this was any good. It's 150 luminums and the maximum runtime 48 hours. So this is slightly different. Opening on this box, it comes, let's move this out, so that's the actual little light there. Let's have a look at this bits first. Little box on the inside. Oh, keep me, I'm a pen holder. It's got on the inside of here, I don't know if you can see that. So in this one we get the charger, and it's one of these magnetic ones, which was the same with the head torch, was that. It's quite a long lead on this one. Microfiber cloth. Yeah, it is a good long cable. It must be about 1 metre, I would say. Instructions. On the top, read me. Please long press to unlock before first use. Thank you for joining the Olight family. I hope you enjoy your journey. Push this out of the foam. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Oh, look at that, super cute. Oh my god, that is so cute. Now that's a rubber top and a rubber bottom. It's like a soft rubber bottom. So that would actually take a bit of a bash. That looks so cute. Right, so let's give this a long press. Ah, nice. Oh, that is a great little light. That is very smart. So we're going to go out and test it this time. I thought I'd find something quite interesting for you to have a look at while we're out this evening. I shall see you in the next bit, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Well, I hope you enjoyed those little clips. So the light, it's a great little light. For a small space, it lights it really well. The only thing, obviously, when you're out and about, it's lighting, this is 360 degrees, so it's lighting the whole area, unlike a torch where it's directly straight forward. So in those demonstrations, you're basically seeing, I tried to show the amount of light that comes from this, really. Perfect for camping and small area, sitting at a fired area. Charge lasts a long time. I've had it on the fullest beam for quite a length of time and there's still loads of charge in it. It's quick to charge. I think it probably took, I think I put it on for about 4 hours and it was done. The little magnet that goes on the bottom's got like a little bracket on it and it lights up red or green. red when it's charging and green when it's fully charged, and it didn't take that long at all. Olight have given me the code for the latest flash sale, which starts today, and it's right now. They're only ever on for a very limited time, and these are going to be in the flash sale today, so you do get quite a hefty amount off them. Like I say, they don't always, not all their stuff goes in these flash sales. They do flash sales regular, but for different items. It just happens that this month that they've got this one on. So yeah, go away. I've put all the links down below. It's an affiliate link, it costs you no more, but they give me that link because it just shows if anybody's coming through from us to go in and have a look. So yeah, go away and have a look, and have a look at their other stuff as well. I mean, their torches are amazing. This is perfect, especially for a bit of wild camping, small campfire. Really great light, incredibly bright, really durable as well because it's made from rubber. It's metal here, but the bottom and the top where it's going to get bashed is rubber. And yeah, so anyway, thought I could do a video for them. I absolutely do love their products. They're really durable. They're honestly the Apple of torches in my view, or for some might be the Samsung of torches. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, I love it. Like I say, this is not a light that's going to light up a whole encampment, just as personal space that you're in. And as you probably see from the videos, that's pretty good space. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I've got a new video coming to the channel very soon. Should be within the next week. And so that's me back to making. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks very much for watching.